Hey, it's Rob Max here with an overview of WP Spy and how to use it. Okay, so let's go to the site info page. Here we are. Now we put a site in here. We can pick any site. Let's go for one of mine. And then we hit go. Now the software is going to go away and pull back data from the web relating to the actual site information here. Won't take too long. Here we go, it's loading up now. Okay, so on this page you can see what the site was actually built with, details about the server, any applications that are running on that server, the version of Linux they're using, etc. We can see if there's a robot.txt file. We can see if the site's got a sitemap. We can pull up the source code for that site. We can pull back WHOIS information. And we've got the DNS settings here under domain info. And then if we go down the page here, you'll see that we've got site security, and under site security we've got McAfee Site Advisor, Norton SafeWeb, the Web of Trust, and Securi. All of these will give you an overview of whether the site is actually safe, if there's any security vulnerabilities that you should be aware of. Essentially, it gives you a great overview of the security. We can also see the geolocation of the site, the IP address, where it's hosted, and the country in which it's hosted. And if we go onto the WordPress data down here, you can see that we've got the WordPress version that's being used. We can see the free plugins that are being used, and we can automatically download those plugins from the console here. We can also see commercial plugins and themes being used. And by hitting the view icon, we perform a Google search where you can find out where to purchase those plugins and themes. Let's move on to page info now. Right, on page info, we can see the URL, whether it's got a canonical URL, the title, the keywords being used on that front page, the meta description, meta robots, external links, internal links, H1, H2 tags, bold strong tags, body text and character count on that page. On the SEO stats page, we can see the Alexa traffic rank, the Quantcast traffic rank, the Google page rank, how the site looked in the past on archive.org, a cache version of the site on Google, the Alexa backlinks, Google backlinks, Open Site Explorer, so we can look at more detail in the linking here, and also Ahrefs, so we can get an idea of the trust and authority of the site, plus the linking structures there. We can also see all of the pages that have been indexed here. If we move on to traffic, if you're in the top 100,000, you'll be able to pull back Alexa data for your site here. You can also see the bounce rate on the site, the daily page views per visitor, and the daily time being spent on site per visitor. Now if we have a look at the links here, this will pull all of the links back on the front page, plus it will also link to all the images that are on that page. Scroll up a bit more so you can see that better. As you can see, by mousing over, it will bring up a light box with the image of the as you can see, a mouse over opens up a light box. It's very attractive. I really like this feature a lot. Put a lot of work into this program. Same for all the other images. You can also see the search engine results, and you can spider the site that way by clicking on the eye icon. Next we have a tutorials page that goes over the setup and use of the software. And then lastly, a support page here. And on the support page, you can immediately put a ticket into our help desk if you have any problems. We've really set out to make things as simple as possible for the user. Thank you very much for watching.